Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials of all affordable, inexpensive makeup from drugstore, dollar store, you name it. I'll test on my face, I'll pass the savings to you guys. So in this video, this is my second video with Pollyeye brand of color contacts. So this is all Halloween edition. I got 4 color contacts to review and I'll show you them close up. And I'll tell you what I think about them, and we'll talk about all the specs and prices and everything. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell below so YouTube notifies you every time I upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live every Sunday at 9 AM Pacific time as well, which is 5 PM in UK. So like, comment, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter. The links are down in the description box. So let's get into this Halloween contacts review. So before we start this video, let's do the Russian word of the day. And my husband's standing right there. He's whispering to me which word. I'm like, how did you know? I mean, obviously I'm wearing these contacts. So the Russian word of the day is for Halloween is the vampire. So the vampire it's not that exciting because it's almost the same. It's vampir. So I'm gonna put this in Cyrillic alphabet and the pronunciation below, almost the same, vampir. So there is a r at the end, vampir. There you have it. Use it in a sentence below if you like it. So this is my second PR box, and thank you to Pollyeye first of all for working with me and letting me work with you and send me another box to review, which I'm very thankful, and thank you for working with me and explaining to me how to use color contacts. I'm gonna get to it shortly and what I mean by this. So this is my second box, and my first box was all natural, like a natural subtle color change, and there are gray ones, it's really bright, the green ones, and some more subtle blue ones. So I'm gonna link that video up here in the card so you can see the first video. So Pollyeye was very kind to me to send me the PR box and offer me the affiliate code. So I have affiliate link with my discount code for 12% off, also in the description box. So if you guys interested to purchase anything, we still have a few weeks left till Halloween. So if you want something colorful just to have fun at home, so you can buy this for your Instagram looks and Halloween looks. So Pollyeye is a contact lens brand with patented anti-blue light lens technology, which is changing millions of eyes around the globe comfortably and easily without affecting vision. Whether you're searching for casual lenses or special occasions, Pollyeye is a place to go. So that's from their website. So right now I'm looking at the website. It says buy 2 get 2 free. They have free shipping worldwide. Exclusive discounts, so they have all kinds of discounts. All the Halloween lenses right now on sale. They used to be 30, I think it was like a 35 or 38, something like that. And right now they're 22.80. Yeah, so they went from 38 to 22.80. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all 4 I got in the PR, and let me show you what I get. Well, first of all, I got this necklace. So you always get a necklace in the PR box, or I don't know, it's probably gonna come with your order as well. So it's really pretty. It has a little jewel and a little lucky charm, the horseshoe. It says good luck, so which is cute. Also comes with a tattoo you can put on the skin, I think. It's like one of those things. I haven't tried this yet, but this is very pretty and purple. I kind of like that. And it comes with a little cute little thing. Just some kind of little toy. So this is a yellow cat. The first time around it was a blue cat. Now it's a yellow cat. Apparently they know I like cats. I'm just joking. But anyway, so each color contact comes in the box like this. And in the box you'll find two blister packages like this. Some of them are plain, like this white, and some of them have Pollyeye stuff. And it comes in a solution that you shouldn't use in your eyes. And this is very important because I know that very well, and yet I still did make a mistake, so I'll tell you in a second. So it also comes with a glitter. I also appreciate glitter. I mean, if you know my videos, you know I'm a glitter queen. I love glitter, so I got black one, black for Halloween. You get the glitter, and you also get 4 color contact cases and little boxes. Each one comes in a cute box like this. It has a little tweezer thing to take your contacts out of your eye. It's a plastic thing, that's why it's safe. It's not gonna break your contact. It also comes with this little tool to put your contact lens in. So you sit the contact lens on top of this very soft plastic thing, and you just put it in. I mean, if you experience contact wear like me, you don't need this. I just use my fingers. But if you're novice and want to try something, this thing is very useful. So white, I got a blue one, real cute, and I got a pink one, and I got a yellow one. That's real pretty. This one has a fairy. Yeah, so this is all like a cutesy things that comes with, so it's real nice. And the contact lens cases look like this. I mean, they're just a standard contact case with a right and a heart instead of left. So Halloween color contacts come with no prescription because this is just special occasions, so I figured that's why. So right now, as I said, they're $22.80 each pair. So the first pair I got is Pollyeye Throne's Golden Dragon. That's the ones I'm wearing now. So here's the deal. The first video that I made about these contacts was like a couple of weeks ago, and I thought I cannot put it out because it hurt my eyes. The contact lenses did. So I emailed customer service. I'm like, the contact lenses hurt. My eyes are burning. Oh my God. So they said, well, you need to soak your lenses for 6 to 8 hours. Well, I know that. I was like, I'm an experienced contact wearer. The thing is, I'm used to soaking them for like 3-4 hours, and usually it's good. So that's what I did first time around, and it burned. So I think just I'll give you a heads up. For these particular contacts, for some reason I had to soak them overnight. Otherwise they burn my eyes. They need to be soaked very well, and make sure you're soaking them in solution, in a contact lens solution, the ones that's multi-purpose, not a saline solution. So this is a triple disinfectant. It's just a brand, Renew, but they have generic brands. As long as it says multi-purpose solution, this is good. So I used this the first time around too. I did everything right. The only thing I did not do right is the amount of time I let them soak. And again, for different lenses, like for natural lenses, I got away with it. I just took them out of the package and soaked them for like 10 minutes. And it worked. And these, for some reason, with these, it was burning. So after I emailed the customer service, they got back to me and they said, soak them for hours. And I was like, well, I know that. But I did. And then I tried them the next morning. I'm like, oh. So just a little tip. So let me zoom you in so you can see the Golden Dragon. So what I like and what I don't like about them, this particular pair, as you can see, it moves. See, this one sits on my eye. And this one, the slit is supposed to be like vertical because, you know, it's a dragon. So you have this dragon. Look. So I can move it. My fingers are clean. I washed them. So see, I moved it. But for some reason, it keeps moving my eye. I don't know if it's my eyes or they're all like that. Because I never think about this, because regular contact lenses I wear, they have just a regular hole in the middle. So you don't even know if it's moving. Probably it's moving too. So that's the only thing with this, they kind of move. So, but yeah, so that's a Golden Dragon one. They look cool up close, but the only problem I have with them, on the picture, they look like a bright yellow sticker. I'm going to insert the picture somewhere here so you can see what they should look like. In reality, they look transparent, so that's the only thing. You can slightly see the color, but on the dark eyes, you can literally see very little, and it almost looks like like a dark green instead of yellow, and around the outside you can still kind of see yellow, but I can see this like on the gray eyes or on the blue or on the green eyes. It probably is gonna work better. I mean, you can still see it, but it doesn't look like the picture. So the next one I'm gonna go through one by one is the green one. So let me take this out and I'll show you the next one. So this is a Pollyeye Vermithor. So this is a green one. So it's supposed to look like a bright green sticker. So this is the other one that does not look like the picture exactly. This one looks a little brighter than the yellow one, but still it's a little bit too dark to be seen, like a little transparent, I would say, to be seen on the dark eyes. You can see the color, but it's not as bright as we want it to be. But again, if you have light eyes, it's probably going to show much more beautiful. So I would say like a hazel eyes and green eyes, gray eyes probably would look real good with this, because the dark green is really going to pop. I just wish they were more opaque, just like the yellow ones. But there they are. They have like a long slits as well. That's the Pollyeye Vermithor. Yeah, it definitely gives me like snake vibes. So the next one is Pollyeye Crush Hulk White. So I'm showing you the difference so you can see in my dark eyes. So that's the reason the yellow one and the green one, you could not see them. But this one, in comparison, see, the white is completely opaque. And this is the one that burned my eyes on the first try. And after soaking, they're more comfortable. They're not the most comfortable in the world, but they're more comfortable than the first time around. So let me put the other one in and I'll show you. So first of all, keep in mind, you want to make sure that they're sticking up, so the edges are pointing up. So you see, it's a cup. Look at it. It should look like a cup with the edges pointing up, and there is no like look of the edges pointing outwards, if that makes sense. If they're pointing slightly outwards, just a little bit, it means it's going in the wrong way. So this the Pollyeye Crush Hulk White, and that's what I look like close up. Real cool looking. So that was the Crush Hulk White. Real cool. I actually really like this because they look so creepy. So the next one is Pollyeye Crush Ruby Red. And this to me remind me of like a vampire lenses, like a devil, whatever requires red. And this is my favorite. That's why I left them for the last, because I just love this. I love this look. I love all the vampire TV shows like Vampire Diaries, the True Blood. So I mean, that doesn't look exactly like the shows, but you know what I mean. The typical red vampire eyes. Yeah, so I really enjoy this. These are very comfortable actually compared to the white ones. These I could probably wear all day, and they feel like a normal contact lenses, not Halloween ones. So out of all 4 pairs, I would say these are hands down my favorite pair. And the comfort level and the way they look, they're very, very opaque. So again, these and the white ones, they're very opaque and they really work well. So this was the last pair I showed you guys today. And I'm going to close in on this pair because I mean, I love red vampires. I don't know. Anyway, so if you guys are interested in this, I have 12% off with Elaina Glam discount code. My affiliate link is going to be in the description box. I mean, they're really cool. They have a lot of other options. So you can go on the website and see what other Halloween options there is. A ton. And everything is $22.80 right now with discount. Plus additional 12% off. So if you guys are interested, check it out. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And I also go live every Sunday at 9 a.m. Pacific time, which is 5 p.m. in UK. So like this video will help me. Comment below, let me know what you think. Do you have favorite contacts for Halloween? And what do you want to do about your Halloween looks this year? So follow me on Instagram, Twitter, the links are down in the description box. And also a big thank you for all my patrons that joined my Patreon group. I really appreciate your help, guys. If you're interested, then the link to my group is in the description box as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!